No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. All right, 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 all right. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Angel. All right. Yeah. Me have everything. I have everything. I'm a brother, I know. I'm a brother. All right. No, you can't show me. You can't do anything. Excuse. Stop pushing me, brother. You can't show me. That's the lie. I last one me come. All right. I fuck with that. Boy. I fuck with that. I can't shoot nobody. I fuck with that. I foolishness. I fuck with boy. John Crow. Hey boy. Oi, Batman. Oi. What up for? Oi, remember who you run on the man, yeah? I fuck with that. You see you, little boy.
Stop. Hey, yo, cuz boy.
My drinking up. I foolishness.
Let me have the driver's license and documents with me. Driver, let me have the driver's license and documents.
Video everything, you know, Powell. Video everything, you know.
I don't have a problem with it.
All right. I'm a sergeant of police.
I don't care a damn.
And this is my driver's license. What else do you need?
Let me see your ID.
This is what...
Let me see your ID. Driver, I want to come here.
Here it is. You can't hold on to my license. Here it is.
Well, driver's license. Let me have the driver's license.
Yeah, but what? You know, listen. Never say assault me, you know.
What happened, man?
Never say assault me, you know, sir. This is not how we do it.
What happened?
You come out and...
Driver, let me have the driver's license.
Who you talking to?
Driver, let me have the driver's license.
No, you can't have my driver's license, inspection. You're wrong.
All right?
Sir, you're wrong. You come out and
No, relax.
You push me.
That's right.
You come for me. Everything.
Driver, let me have the driver's license
You're
inspection.
not going to my driver's license after what you did to me.
Driver,
After
let me
what
have the
you did
driver's
to
license
me,
inspection.
after what you did to me, you're not going to have my driver's license.
Driver.
You assaulted me. You don't identify yourself to me. You come out with a gun.
I need that one to identify myself. You commit a breach of the road traffic act.
Did I eat your vehicle? Did I eat your vehicle? All that money to be thrown on me to go through, you know. You see it? You assaulted me.
All the man needs to be thrown on me to
See
go
the
through.
ID here?
Why they overtaking around the corner? Why they overtaking around the corner?
All
Dangerous
right.
like
So
that?
you know what you do? Stop. Warn me for the offense and prosecute me. You can't come out and push me.
Driver,
Draw a gun for
let me have your driver's license and
You
document.
shoot you with my gun too.
Driver, let me have the driver's
I'm not
license.
going to have my driver's license. Powell, video everything, you know.
Driver,
Video everything.
let me have the driver's license.
And you are block the road, you know. And you are block the road. Me not block the road.
Driver.
You are block the road now.
You must have don't need to go any further with you.
You're going to go further.
I don't need to go any further with you, you know. I gave them instruction, you know. I gave them instruction. Driver, let me have the driver's license.
When you come out and you assault me, you're going to identify yourself to me. I'm a sergeant of police. If you should have happened, me shoot you. And you are on the road. If you should have happened,
you're checking me now.
you said me should have happened. You can't use a camera now. And the police you can't use a camera too.
Yo, man.
You're too hot order.
Listen, let me have the driver's license.
Me overtake somebody if you come with a breach. Do the proper channel. You can't come out and push me and drag on for me.
Driver.
What is your name? What is your name?
Driver, let me have your driver's license.
You have driver's
Up to
license.
now, you have not complied with one of my requests.
See, you block up the road there.
I said up to now.
Hey, only if you figure this enough. I don't mind if you block up the road enough. I
Driver.
just want to block up the road.
I am Inspector Taylor. Let me have your driver's license and document, please. Driver, I said, let me have your driver's license and document,
Remember, say assault me. Remember that. Remember, say assault me.
Driver, let me have your driver's license and document. Up to now, you have not complied with any of the requests. Let me have your driver's license.
Because I'm a Saudi.
Well, you know what it
I'm a
is?
Saudi.
All right, you know what it is that you get my name. What is your name,
I am
Sergeant?
Sergeant Barrington Martin, sir. You're out of
From Sergeant Barrington Martin, from?
You can't come out and push me and drag on for me. I'm not giving you no driver's license because you're doing the wrong way, Mr. Taylor, if you're inspector. And you have blocked up the road.
Sergeant!
See, you have blocked up the road there.
Sergeant!
See, you have blocked up the road there.
Sergeant!
And you have blocked up the road.
You have not complied with none of the requests that I made me of you. All right? All right.
Remember, say you're sorry, Mr. Taylor. You drag on for me and you push me.
Come back to where station?
I don't know where you station.
Property
Remember where you know.
management and maintains and building. Where station, Mr. Martin?
Remember where you know, Mr. Taylor.
Mr. Martin, I am from the property management and maintains and service division. Where are you from? Mr. Martin, which division are you from?
Remember where
Mr. Martin, which division are you from? Sergeant Martin. Sergeant Martin, which division are you from?
Why? Take my phone from me.
Sergeant Martin, which division are you from? Sergeant Martin, which division are you from?
Bossy, you know, sir, the overtaking at the junction, right? The man come up on me. As a result, you have to pass the vehicle when you have overtake because there would have been an accident. When we reach, where's the name? Where's the name?
Temporal Estate.
When we reach Temporal, one PMU vehicle man block me in the bridge. The man come out with his gun in my hand, chuck me on the car, push me around, slap me, and now when I identify myself in them, I'm going to drive a police car and give me no time to charge, you know. Say name Inspector Taylor. Yes, he assault me. He pushed me on the car and drive on my face. You no.
Sergeant, which division are you from?
Here. I have blocked up the road with the police.
Sergeant, which division are you from? Sergeant, which division are you from?
Okay, sir.
Sergeant, which division are you from?
And I'll talk to you again now because you come out and you push me. I saw you deal with
Sergeant.
You assaulted me.
Sergeant, you know what is to stop you and you don't comply with none of the requests?
You said if you come out right here and you come out.
Sergeant,
So what else to do?
let me see your driver's
So
license.
you're blocking up the road and you are blocking up the
No,
road.
Sergeant, I said let me see your driver's license.
And you are blocking up the
Let me
road.
see your driver's license, Sergeant.
See that in you. Put that away. Put that away.
Sergeant,
you-
let me see your driver's license. As a matter of fact, I need to see your ID.
You need to see my ID again.
Yes,
Me not see
I need to
yours.
see your ID.
Me not see yours. Me not see yours. At them
Sergeant,
second off you block
I
up.
need
We not
to
see police
see your
vehicle
ID.
block up the road. We not see police vehicle block up the road. Watch it. Look there.
Sergeant, I need to see your ID.
Remember, say you assaulted me, you pushed me on the vehicle, and you
Sergeant.
draw your gun on me.
Sergeant, I need to see your ID. You take out ID up to now. I'm not certain if it is a legitimate ID. Let me see your ID. All right. What's the number? 0643. What's the number?
So what? I want to talk to you. The whole time that you assault me.
Yeah.
And that's what
That's what I'm going to try. Yeah. That's what I'm going to try. If I'm serious.
Somebody catch a call. open and face. Enough for that, sir, enough. Make sure to tell one on the torch and them set. And then when they come to the post, I'm having a charger, I have a blood clot thing. Remember me telling me that? Remember me on buck clot thing. And one of the big... General, what that? That's can't go on yourself. Richie, I eat him. What are you talking for? They can't light that there. What is that with the what? They can't light that there. They can't light that there. Right, they can't light that there. No. What you gonna do? No one police somewhere. Anything you come if I do that. That can't do that. You come take out one. Now I'm careful. You can't even man some. Understand yourself if you do your work, you do it professional. Hey, let me show you this. If you do your work, you do that professional. You think you can? Hey! Are you that's a type woman? You coming at me? No one's police to work. Everything you come and oh, easy. Make him do what I do. Yeah, man. Escalate it now. We can't show you no sense. You know, no sense. No one police to work. Oi, me. Shoot me now. I don't have a chance. It's police. You don't say beef that. You don't say I eat that.
No jokes, man. No jokes.
You alone can't come in. You alone can't come. Let me tell you that. You alone can't come here.
I'll be a businessman there saying about
you alone can't come here. Come to that way, do a while ago. You don't worry yourself. Shoot me, man. You shoot.
5-5, sir.
5-5.
Yes, sir.
Sergeant Montague, I reported here at the police station last night, around 12 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
I knocked on the door more than 4 times. The bearer who was with me is standing right here, the guy in the blue. Come on, identify yourself. Show yourself.
Okay.
Show him yourself, sir. Come here, sir, brother. He made a call to the station when he pretended like he couldn't hear what gone. Yes or no, sir? Did you call the station last night?
Huh?
Did I ask you to make a phone call to the police, the Kingston police station last night? Yes or no?
You asked me for make a call last
Yes.
night? Yeah.
Did you call them, sir?
Yeah.
Did they answer the phone, sir?
Yeah.
What happened?
We call them, they're not answering.
They pretended like they couldn't hear. And I came and I knocked in person and the lady came out and said, Dr. Williams outside again. So I'm here to report that as well. But before we get to that, I'm here on Jamaican government service. This is from the office of Dr. Chang and the passport office.
Yes, sir.
It is sealed with a staple.
Yes, sir.
It is asked that you fill it out so that I can get my passport.
Okay, sir.
Based on the report I made in this police station, that my son was robbed. I was robbed of everything. But I had money to pay the blood clot tax for that.
Step outside. Outside. You are rude.
Put me outside, Mr. Sergeant.
Outside, sir. Step outside. You are rude. Right now you should be arrested and charged.
Arrest me and charge me now.
Step outside, sir.
Arrest me and charge me. I'm a taxpayer.
Step
You
outside.
take off the mask, you want to take it off again. More to be get again in the station.
Sir, step outside for me, please.
With respect.
Step outside.
I'm not moving, sir. Me I deal with Jamaica government service. So you can decide if you want me to take this escalating any further than this, sir.
Step outside, sir.
I am not moving, sir, with all due respect of your position. Sergeant, throw me out in the bag. One must be bumbuckler mad.
Sir.
Shut up when my other talk to you. A sergeant I deal with. My apologies for foul language. Let me start over. Just to show you that I can control myself. And just because I want to prepare myself appropriately for the psychiatric evaluation of the University of Students. That it says on Jamaica government service from the office of Dr. Chang. I reported there a couple of days ago. And he told me to go to the passport office and get this form and bring it here. Then I have to go to the tax office to pay the tax form. Then a normal. This one says on Her Majesty's service. You want a record? I give you no permission to record me corporal, however bad thing is. It says on Her Majesty's service because I'm also British. I'm the consulate officer who's a fortress, which is based on Trafalgar Road, the British High Commission, has asked for the same thing, to prove that I was robbed and taken up every single thing. That's why I don't have my British passport until the shoot back to me. And the American consulate, which I'm also an American citizen, his name is Officer Bill from the American Citizenship Services, and his email is bkingston@acs@state.gov, since you want to record, has asked me for the exact same form. So each person asks for the same thing. And if I must pay this money, Dorothy Feeling said to leave you her number. You are Sergeant Montague.